got the convoy all together. Give it a beat. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Driven Lifestyles here. If you're checking me out for the first time, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of cool stuff going on, even more planned, so stay tuned. But right now, we just gassed up, got a full tank of 93 in the bad boy right here, and we're heading over to Ed's house to check out his Camero ZL1. 650 horsepower, supercharged LT4, lifted straight out of the Corvette Z06. He's got a 2017 car, and we're gonna see what we can do today. Have some fun. Let's check it out. Oh man, oh man, check this thing out. So sick, so sick. This machine is something else. Look at those exhaust tips. See them? Man, trust me when I tell you, those are huge. Got the Mustang over there. She's looking beautiful. Got her cleaned all up, so she's looking right. But man, this thing is something else. This is the first chance and opportunity I have to kind of check one of these up real close. And here we are. We are heading down towards downtown right now so we can get some great shots of the Camero ZL1. I can't believe it. There he is behind me, the beast, and man, it sounds so good. I didn't even know. I thought the car was stock. He's got some stuff done to it. He's got a set of Flow Masters on it. He's done some other modifications. I'll let him go into all of that once we get there, but man, it's gonna be a good one. Definitely gonna get some shots riding around with it. Stay tuned. It's your boy Driven Lifestyles here, and today we got an incredible video for you. We're going to be featuring my buddy Ed's 2017 Camero ZL1. A little bit of experience of what it's like owning the car from your perspective.
Well, I can tell you this, if you're worried about fuel economy, this is not the car for you.
My man.
I didn't buy this car for fuel economy. I bought it for pure enjoyment and the love. You know what I mean? Because if not, you get yourself a little too young.
Yeah.
So
He
if
didn't
you're worried
buy a
about-
Prius.
You
He
know
bought a
what I mean?
Camaro
I don't want
ZL1.
that. I don't worry about fuel economy, but it's not that on gas. It's depending on your driving.
Yeah.
If depending how you put your foot on the gas, it lasts me the whole week. That's my daily.
Yeah.
You feel me?
He daily drives a
And
Camaro ZL1.
very comfortable.
I just gotta
Very
say that, put that out there. I respect the hell out of this man
Yeah.
because
Why
that
would
is
I rent?
that's an amazing thing. That's an amazing
I
thing.
would not rent a
My
car.
kind of guy.
I'm not gonna rent nothing. I don't plan. If I go to Orlando, I know some people that are concerned about mileage. I'm not concerned about that. I'm the only concern. I want to enjoy this car as much as I can. You feel me?
Yeah,
You don't
of
know
course.
what could happen.
You don't know what can happen.
It's not supposed to be in your garage collecting dust. Go out there. If you ever have a car that you're passionate about, go out there and enjoy it. That's it.
Indeed.
Spend money, man. It's not easy, man.
So I think what needs to happen now is he told us about what it's like to drive. That's his favorite part about it. Why don't we show you guys what it's like to be in that car and experience the drive ourselves? Plus, I really want to get in there. Riding through downtown in a straight pipe to 2018 is just a nice drive. That's a nice feeling. Sounds so good. I mean, everything was just so good right now. We're gonna get out from behind this semi truck right here, pull up to the light. Oh man, Acura NSX just drove by. That was a pretty cool sight. Ooh, it sounds so good. Sounds so good, especially driving around in these city streets. Like I said, it's a long drive to Mexico, guys. Long drive. We'll be on the road for, I think, about 4-5 days. But through the power of YouTube editing, we're gonna chop that up and take you there in 3, 2, 1. Oh yes.
You see, even though the tire was spinning, but the car was planted. You see the difference?
Oh,
I
man.
got it on performance mode.
That's insane.
See?
Insane.
See, I gotta
manage the power.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is a beast, man. This thing is a beast. That supercharger whine
You can
is
hear that beat,
incredible.
whine, B.
It's incredible, man. Holy cow. That is.
I'm gonna do another pull.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy cow! First impressions of being in the vehicle, it is a monster. The 10-speed auto makes all the difference. Yeah, this thing is fast. It is fast. I'm telling you on that one. Incredible. So while we're pulling up to a good stretch of, man, do you guys hear that? Do you hear that? Unbelievable. Supercharger whine in full effect. This thing's just pretty crazy, man. While we're taking it easy here, just getting to our Mexico exit, why don't you talk about a little bit of the mods that you did to the car?
Well, I didn't do too much because I kept it simple. All I did is, of course, the first thing I did was the cold air intake, and also I did the second thing was the Corsa X-Pipe.
Right.
And then I bought the Flow Masters, and that's what you can feel the difference actually. It's very simple, you know what I mean?
Simple, clean mods. It's a great
Nothing to the
building
extreme.
point because, to be honest with you, the car is plenty fast. I don't think he needs to do too much in the way of power adding mods because this thing is quick as can be as is. So it's all about pretty much just making it sound like how you want
beautiful. Exactly. I like the sound, like the performance. You know, it's just your preference.
Indeed.
It's just your preference, and and also I'll also put the catch can, which is extremely important,
Right.
especially when you have a performance vehicle, direct this car. Not for gas economy. I
Yeah,
got it
man.
for
It's
pure
not a
enjoyment.
Prius. We're not trying to hit 100
Nah.
mpg.
I
My
don't care about
goodness. I'm gonna tell you. Listen, that threw me in my seat. When you see these videos online and people like throw them back
Nah,
and they're like,
that's-
"Oh, how much is it really?" No,
No,
this one,
it's
I promise you,
exactly
it is
what it is.
really pushing you in the seat for sure. That is crazy. We can get over here. Maybe one push in the left lane.
The left lane.
And got a little space there for a little Mexico pull. Give it the beat. Man! Holy cow!
Oh yeah, we're doing 100. We're going fast.
We're going
safe.
very, very, very safe.
Exactly.
Nice. I think maybe one last little one, and then I think we'll be good. Oh man, wow, that 10 speed, that is all the difference. Dude, you have an amazing car. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
That's right. Love it, man.
This is glorious, dude. Living the life. You heard it here first. We got a owner's perspective, kind of just a little something different, you know, because you guys, anybody can find out the stats of a vehicle. You can look it up and find out how fast it goes 0 to 60, how much it weighs, you know, what this is and that statistic is. But actually having the owner just tell you about their car, what it's like to have, drive, and experience on a constant basis. That's truly true input, because if I was in the market of these, which again, fingers crossed, we will be soon, this is definitely information that I'd want to know. What it's like to actually have, how much do they like it, are they glad with the purchase, no regrets, and clearly you heard it from the man himself. He loves this car, and I'm sure wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking it out. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We're gonna have some more fun in Mexico here. Peace.